And here comes one of my favorites.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Tacoma, Washington, weighing in at 233 pounds, the World Heavyweight Champion, Mogul!
We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE about to take part in one of the most anticipated matches ever.
He may not be defending the championship tonight, but his pride is always on the line.
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
And his opponent from Auckland, New Zealand, weighing in at 228 pounds, Jay White.
This person is a little self-absorbed at times, but the WWE Universe doesn't seem to mind.
Well, I think they appreciate someone with serious self-confidence. It sends a good message.
Whoa, what's the deal here? I have plenty of self-confidence, and I rarely feel appreciated. He's been demanding this match for quite some time, and now he is ready to compete.
And you're looking at a superstar who comes into this match as a reigning champion. You can just tell he's got some extra swagger.
Beautiful takedown into the Achilles.
All the pressure on the left knee. He's trying to fight it. He's trying to break out, and does it.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Put down face first.
Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. In the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target.
Back with a rebound.
And we just saw some serious offense. He goes for the quick pin attempt. He gets his shoulder up before 3.
That count was a bit too close for comfort.
Turning the tables there.
What a forearm.
Oh, dear. This doesn't look good. Ouch. That's one way to get your opponent out of the corner.
He's feeling the effects of that last hit. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Oh, brace for this impact!
Like a guillotine.
And this has got to be it.
He kicks out at 2.
That is just pure instinct at this point. He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Big forearm.
Hooking the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied. He had it scouted.
He's managing to get some control back now.
Time now to get his energy up and claw back into the fight.
Oh, stop right to the hand. Jumping DDT. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Fights out at 2.
Almost inhuman at this point.
Quickly slips behind into the German.
Shining Wizard. He's lost some of his win now.
Oh, man. Pinning down their opponent's arm. Vicious knee drop.
And he's just flaunting his skills now. You can tell he's firing up.
Front face lock applied. Up and
Their opponent driven down with the gourd buster.
Oh, stop right to the hand.
Oh, and that buys some time.
Uh-oh. Look at this. Blue Thunderbomb. Oh, that right there will rock you. He's in a little bit of trouble now.
well, all things considered, Cole, it's not a bad condition to be in at this point in the match.
From the top, double stomp.
That puts him in total control.
For the win! 2. Kicks out, just kicked out.
Not about to go quietly into the night.
That took some serious endurance, I'll give you that. And the heaviest hitter in the arsenal was not enough. The fight is being brought right to him.
Yeah, and he keeps struggling to slow the opposition down. Such an incredible matchup. You get the sense he's willing to do whatever it takes to put this match in the books.
Because I think the realization is beginning to creep in. He may have to do something spectacular. He may have to reach deep into his playbook to figure something out to earn a win. Oh my God! Here it comes!
Avalanche poison Rana.
If this works, it could change the course of the match.
From the top, double stomp. Picture perfect execution.
Try to end it.
Man, the champ with a big win and perhaps vanquishing another possible challenger.
Tonight was about establishing dominance for the champion, and they did just that.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we got company.
Look who's here.
Looks like someone else is interested in the champion's gold.
I'd love to see this.
And the champ not backing down in the slightest.